is Thursday. It is October the 1st, and it is a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you who have been showing up to school on time, checking into your Schoology, being in class when class begins, not just signing in. So remember, that 5-minute period is enough for you to get up, go use the restroom real quick, and sign in for your next class. Let's make sure that we are on time. Gentlemen, we still need a few more of you out there for Susical. Contact Ms. Link if you are interested. There's a great part for the guys, and we'd love to have you be a part of 41 years of theatrical tradition here at Green Acres. Remember, folks, we always want to work to being honest. Being honest may not get you a lot of friends, but it'll always get you the right ones. People appreciate those who are honest. That's it for the day's bulletin. We are Chargers with heart. We're honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with heart. Have a great day. Oh, and don't forget, tomorrow is Pajama Day. Be sure that you dress appropriately, even in your jammies. Have a great day.